Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I'm going to talk about sign of Allah's love. The hadith of Sayyid al-Qudri Raziallahu anhu Sayyid al-Qudri, and also the hadith of Abu Huraira Raziallahu anhu. In Bukhari, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said no fatigue, tiredness, and he said no disease, no sorrow, no hurt that befalls a Muslim, even if it were the prick he received from a thorn. You know the thorn that pricks you very, it can happen very quickly, very something. But Allah expiates some of His sins for that. That is enough. When you're going through that stress, that hardship, that challenge, you know Allah is rewarding you as long as your patience, as your patience, you have a patience and you don't act in a way that is showing unacceptance of this in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So from among us also the reason that have been mentioned is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tries a sign of Allah's love, that a sign of Allah loves you. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, whoever, whenever Allah wills good for a person, He subjects him to an adversity, He gives him a hardship. So this is for something that we need to remember, inshallah. So this bitter hardship that we face in our everyday life, sometimes they're acting like medicine. They're actually medicines. Now you know medicine is most medicine don't have a good taste now people don't like to take medicines, especially children. Now you know you give them, they want to quickly spit out. It uncomfortable. They actually have some side effects. Sometimes it might put you through some side effect just to make you better. These are challenges, they are like medicine. These are trials and tribulations that we receive that you don't necessary like them, but they are to reform, as they are there to purify, as they are there to detoxify, as I mentioned earlier, as of our sins, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is sending us to purify us of our sins. Thank you so much listening to me, and have a nice day.